Newly opened Korean restaurant dito sa Pasay na mala Reply 1988 ang vibe. Hi Jolly Natics, today we are here at Seoul 1988 Korean Grill House located along FB Harrison Street, Pasay City. At first, mapapansin nyo agad yung pagka-Korean retro design ng kanilang interior, lalo na dito sa bandang stairwell, and kung fan kayo ng K-drama, particularly Reply 1988, talaga namang matutuwa kayo dito. They have first floor and second floor dining area, and for as low as 8 packs, pwedeng-pwede nyo nang i-occupy yung kanilang private room with no additional charge. They have different unlimited Korean barbecue packages, pero yung sinubungan namin is yung kanilang mga a la carte menu. Starting with their gimari, crispy seaweed noodle rolls yan na may kapartner na parang teriyaki sauce. Sarap nga rin itong dubu kimchi, thinly sliced deep fried tofu, partner with their special kimchi. Itong awesome bulgogi naman, squid and pork yan mixed with their special kimchi sauce, and yung lasa niya is parang tteokbokki, which is really good. And yung first time namin matikman yung kanilang bosam, thinly sliced boiled pork. Walang masyadong lasa yung pork, pero ma-appreciate nyo talaga siya pag samahan nyo ng mga side dishes at i-dip nyo dun sa parang samjang sauce. For the rice meal naman, we had their Yangyum flavored fried chicken. Masarap and cook well yung chicken, thick and kapit talaga yung sauce. They also have donkatsu rice, breaded pork cutlet na may sweet and sour sauce, and ang sarap nga rin ng salad on the side. Bulgogi bibimbap naman, okay na okay din, just make sure to mix well para mag-incorporate lahat ng ingredients. And para kumpleto ang experience, wag nyo kalimutan magbingsu, sakto yan, lalo na if may kasama kayong kids. And after nyo nga kumain, yung isa pa maganda dito, pwede kayong maglaro ng kanilang arcade game and claw machine. Meron na rin sila ditong videoke at open naman sila dito daily from 1 PM to 2 AM.